I hear something. Are those coyotes?
With either Monday or Friday changeover.
We woke up to a pretty rainy Sunday, so we decided to take a road trip into Tillsonburg and check out the antique store. I had never been here before, and I was thoroughly impressed with the size and the amazing things that we found. I had to get this lamp. And I love the little saying in this frame. Some of the vendor spaces were really beautifully decorated, and of course, I found some tarot cards. Ooh, what's this one? This place was well stocked with amazing treasures and definitely brought back some nostalgia. And after all that treasure hunting, we sat down for some yummy lunch. Later that evening, the rain finally let up and the mist settled in. We decided to take a walk around town to explore the magic. I hear something. Are those coyotes? So that was pretty short-lived. I didn't get into the woods very long before I heard what I think was coyotes. I'm not really sure, but something in my intuition told me to just leave the woods. Plus it's just really yucky out, and yeah, very muddy and puddly and stuff. So I'll have to find another way to get my exercise in. Maybe we will go thrifting. Instead of thrifting, I decided to continue my adventure and go down to Port Burwell and hike along the beach. We've had a very rainy day and a half so far, so a lot of this was flooded, but it still was enjoyable nonetheless. Oh my god! Oh, the water just came right up to me and fucking just... Oh, my feet are freezing and wet now. Ah! Well, that's it for today, friends. I hope you've enjoyed our adventures this week. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.